Avery, what do you think of the snowstorm?
Too much.
Too much snow? You think this is worse than last time? Let's see, there you go. Don't look at the garage, Dad. It's really bad. Here's what we're doing. Ugh. Ye old yardstick. What's that say? 10 and a half? Almost 11 inches. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's still snowing.
What do I do now?
You gotta get all of it, dude.
Can I go this way?
Huh? Yeah. You can go that way. Once you get to the car, that's fine. Go that way.
Avery,
What?
look.
What? Hey. Try not to, yeah. Look, back it up in the, no. That's gonna shoot it straight up.
I know.
No, dude. Hey, back it up into the plain stuff back there, the already done stuff. Then start it and work your way over, okay? Here it comes again. Give you a little look at the neighborhood. You got some little kids up there making them a little, what is that? What would you call that? A white trash igloo?